Hey, how's it going? So today I have for you the Under Armour Atlantic Dune sandals or flip-flops or thongs, depending on which part of the world you are in and what you call them there. So these are basically bathroom slippers or thongs that I bought to wear inside the home or around home when you don't need sandals. As you might know, Indians, we have a penchant for open toe shoes, sandals, footwear, because thanks to our climate and also due to our culture and also due to our financial status, Indians generally don't wear shoes a lot. We are far more comfortable with sandals of which comes in many types like floaters, flip-flops, um, what do you call the one with the floaters? Yes, so floaters, I already said that. Yeah, my mind is going blank today. Anyway, so these are thong sandals. So I like the pattern on the top because it has got that um, rib pattern. So with the Under Armour logo. So even if it is wet, your feet will be gripping the sandals hard. So which is kind of necessary because the laces, or what do you call it, the upper part of the thong that goes over your feet, they are extremely thin. Now, thin doesn't mean any low quality because these are some of the for their price, especially I got it at around 1800 bucks, 1800 Indian dollars, which is like 20 USD, I think. Yeah, so for their price, these are very solidly built. They're flexible, they're extremely lightweight, and I don't know how long lasting they will be because mm, the sole is pretty soft and squishy, but for as long as they will last, I am absolutely convinced that they will be very comfortable and I won't have any complaints for them. So yeah, you are probably here for the how they look on the feet, what the design is, and I'm sorry I don't have a video of them on the feet. Remove that sticker. But yeah, these are very lightweight, flexible, and looks reasonably good with that Under Armour thing. Quite different. So thanks for watching.